Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to do chapter number 7, percentage and its application, exercise 7.1. Okay, so question number 12. Here we have a number. So according to the question, it is given that when the number is increased, okay, a number is not given, it is given that 15% when we increase a number, we are getting 299. So what is that number? We have to find it out. Okay. So we can write it as, let the number be x, that we don't know. Now according to the question, when we are increasing it by 15%, means that number plus 15% of that number, when we are adding both these, we are getting 299. Now just solve it out, we'll get the value of x, means the number over here. So x plus 15%, we can write it as 15 by 100 of multiply x is equals to 299. Now when we'll cut it with the table of 5 3s are 15, 5 20 is 100. So it will become 3 by 20x. Now this 20 will be multiplied over here. So it will become 20x plus 3x by 20. Okay, because there is no denominator. It means there is denominator 1. So 20 will be here. Both the LCM 1 and 20 will be 20. So x will be also multiplied with 20. So it will be 20x plus 3x by 20 is equals to 299. Now this 20 will be shifted over here on the right hand side. So it will be 299 multiply 20 and 20 plus 3 will be 23x. Now x is equals to 299 multiply 20 by 23. Because it is multiplied over here, when it will come on the right hand side, it will be divided. Now 23 1s are 23, 23 13s are 299. So when we'll cut it, we'll get 13 into 120, that is equals to 260. Okay class, question number 14. It is given in the question, percentage of girls is given 38%. Okay, and we have to find the strength of the school. Okay, when the number of boys is given 1023. Okay, so number of boys is given and percentage of girls is given, and we have to find the strength of the school. So first of all, we have to write percentage of girls, then we'll find the percentage of boys. As we know, total percentage is always 100%. So 100 minus 38 is equals to 62. So 62% will be boys if 38% are girls. Now, because boys number is given, so let the strength of the school be x. So we can write it as according to the question, 62% of x means of the total strength is equals to 1023. Okay, so 62% we can write it as 62 by 100 multiply x is equals to 1023. That is equals to 1023 into, this will be reversed. So after inversing it, we have got 100 by 62. Now we will cut it. Okay, so we have got 33 into 50 by 31. Okay, now again we can cut it. So we are getting 1650. Okay, so the total number of students in the class was 1650. Okay class. In question number 17, total candidates is given 8000. Number of boys is given, percentage of boys is given 60%. Okay, and from there 80% of the boys passed and 90% of the girls passed. So we have to find how many candidates failed. Okay, so total candidates first of all we will write. Then we will write number of boys is equals to 60% of 8000. We will find out the 60% of 8000, that will be equals to 60 by 100 into 8000, that is 4800. Now number of boys passed from there, so it is written 80% of the boys passed who appeared in the exam. So 4800 has appeared, so 80% of 4800, that is equals to 3840. So this much student passed. So how many boys failed? So just subtract 4800 minus 3840, so that is equals to 960. Now number of girls appeared for the examination, because 60% were boys, so how many will be girls? 40% will be girls. So 40% of 8000 is equals to 3200. Now out of 3200, how many passed? 90% passed. So 90% of 3200 is equals to 2880. So 2880 girls passed. So how many failed? So 3200 minus 2880, that is equals to 320. So number of girls failed is 320. Now total candidates failed is equals to boys, number of boys who failed plus number of girls who failed. So that is 960 plus 320. That is equals to 1280. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 19. Here it is said that earlier the Pratibha's weight, we have to find it out. when she has decreased 50% of her weight and she has become 59.5 kg now. Okay, so let the earlier weight of Pratibha be X. Now according to the question, when her weight was X and she has decreased 50% of that weight, means 15% of X. So X minus 15% of X is equals to 59.5 kg. Now 15% of X we can write it as 15 by 100X. When we will cut it, we have got 3 by 20X. Now again 20 multiply X, that is 20X minus 3X, that is equals to 17X. And this 20 will be shifted over here, so it will become 59.5 multiply 20. Okay, now X is equals to this 17 will be transposed to the right hand side, so it will be divided. So 59.5 multiply 20 by 17. Okay, now we will cut it. 17 ones are 17, 3.5s are 59.5. So 3.5 multiply 20 we have got. When we will multiply it, we have got 70 kg. So Pratibha was earlier, her weight was 70 kg and now she has become 59.5 kg. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Original price was, in question number 21, original price is given 200. Okay, when we are increasing by 10%, so we can write it as 1 plus 10 by 100 of 200 we are increasing, means 110 by 100, that is 11 by 10 we will cut it, we have got. So 11 by 10 into 200 is equals to 220. Means after increasing 10% of 200, it became 220. Now after becoming 220, it has decreased by 10%. So we will again decrease, means 1 minus 10 by 100 of 220. Okay, we will not write 200 over here, we will write 220 because we are decreasing from this price, not from this. So we will write 220. Now that will be 10 ones are 10, so it will be 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 9 upon 10 into 220. Now it will cut, so it will become 9 into 22, that is 198. So the new price is 198 and earlier it was 200. So the question is the final price and the original price same? No, it is not same. Here it is lesser. It is 198 and originally it was 200. Okay. Next question is question number 24. Length of the rectangle is given. The size of the rectangle 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. We are increasing both of these, length and breadth, by 20%. Okay. Now we have to tell how much area will be increased, how in percentage. Okay. So first of all, length we have to write. Then we have to write the percentage it is increasing, that is 1 plus 20 by 100 of 20. That is equals to 12 by 10 into 20, that is 24 centimeter. Means firstly it was 20 centimeter. After increasing 20%, it became 24 centimeter. Now breadth of the rectangle was 15 centimeter. Again we are increasing by 20%, means 1 plus 20 by 100 of 15. That is equals to 12 by 10 into 15, that is 18 centimeter. So this 15 has become 18 now. So earlier the area was 20 into 15, that is equals to 300. And new area has become 24 into 18, that is 432 centimeter square. Now percentage of area increased will be the increased area minus the earlier it was divided by the earlier area. So it will be 432 minus 300 by 300 multiply 100. Okay, so 100 will cut, 3 will be left over here. So that will be after subtracting 132 upon 3. When we will cut it, we have got 44. So the percentage of area that will be increased from this rectangle to this rectangle will be 44%. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.